Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Personal Finance. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week so far and enjoying everything that's going on. Hope you're also enjoying this class. It's one of those things where I love this class because it's one of those things we definitely deal with practical matters that we can all apply to our lives. This week's going to be no different. In week 4, we're going to be looking at making your purchasing decisions. One of the things that I always want to call out when I talk about purchasing decisions and stuff of the nature is that we need to look at our budget and see exactly what we have coming out for expenses coming out, and then make our purchase decisions based upon what we have left over. Obviously, we want to think about saving, creating an emergency fund if we possibly can, because it definitely is one of those things that helps us give a cushion. But we definitely want to do as much as we possibly can to ensure that we understand that we can actually afford what we're doing. If, for example, you're working a part-time job and you don't have very much money saved up, you obviously don't want to go buy a brand new $100,000 vehicle because that will be one of those things. It'll pretty much cripple your finances. You want to make smart decisions, and I'm not saying that we shouldn't ever buy a brand new car. I love buying brand new trucks and stuff of that nature, and it's one of those things that I really enjoy having. But I need to know my space. I need to know exactly what I have going on at the time. And if it's one of those things where I can't afford it, then it's one of those things where I need to make a better, more wise decision on that, possibly. So, those are some of the things we're going to talk about this week. I look forward to the discussion board post with you guys. The assignments this week, we get the discussion board post, and that's where we're going to talk about considering your budget. What daily spending items are amounts that you might be able to reduce or eliminate to allow higher savings amounts. Discuss how the process can benefit consumers planning to make larger purchases. So, for example, for me, and I'll go ahead and just throw this out there to you guys, I enjoy protein, like pre-made protein drinks that are kind of not expensive. I mean, it's one of those things I spend about $20 a week on it. But it's one of those things where I can definitely save that money if I'm going to make a larger purchase later on. So cutting out $20 a week for, 52 weeks could definitely save me some money. So it's one of those things where you want to think about kind of what you might cut out. I definitely I don't want to tell anybody to cut everything out of their menu and stuff of that nature because you want to definitely enjoy life. But you definitely don't want to be crippled by spending habits either. We also have the Module 4 assignment, which you can click here and see on that. Remember, always add in as much as you can for references as well as showing your work. So if you guys have any questions about any of that, feel free to let me know. Thanks.